This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Coinbase Wallet extension. First, install the extension, then create or connect your wallet and verify your email if prompted. Next, secure your seed phrase offline and set a strong password for the extension. Learn how to switch networks, manage multiple accounts, and recognize phishing attempts. I will also show sending, receiving, and connecting to dApps so you feel confident using the wallet safely. The extension has core features that make everyday use simple and secure. You can create multiple accounts and switch quickly without leaving your browser, which helps separate funds or strategies. Sending and receiving uses familiar address fields and QR scanning for faster transfers. When you connect to dApps, always review permissions and transaction details before approving to avoid unintended approvals or token approvals that could risk your assets. If you're finding this guide useful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that keep meals tidy while you manage portfolios or study charts, and they save time between trades. They're great for snacks during long sessions and clean up fast. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if that sounds good, give a like now. Let's get back to the video. Security is essential with any wallet extension, so adopt simple habits that protect you daily. Use strong, unique passwords, and consider a hardware wallet for significant balances to reduce online risk. Never reveal your seed phrase or enter it anywhere besides the official wallet recovery flow. Regularly check connected dApps and revoke permissions you no longer use, and monitor transaction history to catch suspicious activity quickly and limit potential losses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.